What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Roy, reporting live from San Antonio, Texas. So today, I am gonna come with this channel with a different approach. I usually showcase restaurants, but today I'm doing a food truck. And if you didn't know, this channel was made for my renters because I do a car rental business, and the most common question I get is, where should I eat? So today with the food truck, a couple episodes back, I had a friend, James, who was one of my guests on one of my episodes, and I asked for advice on what should I do with this channel, and he, and since he's a chef, he says the future of culinary arts is fusion. Fusion's where you get two different cultures and you combine the two to create new tastes. With this food truck, it's soul food barbecue with a Filipino kick. And to me, that sounds amazing. I actually found this place, BBQ DONE WRIGHT is a place on Facebook. And I was just scrolling through all the groups, Filipino groups, and I saw the mixed plate. And it looked really good. So I clicked on it, I saw the different testimonies, and I was like, wow. I gotta try this place. So I did some more research, and it also had the melon drink, one of my favorite drinks growing up as a little kid. I haven't had that in a very long time, so that got me way more excited. So now I'm just so pumped. This is kind of near downtown, and I'm very excited. I can't wait to see what this place has to offer. So let's go check it out. Boom! Melon drink, one of my favorites as growing up as a kid. It's a very sweet drink. It's melon, little cuts of cantaloupe in there. The nostalgia, bringing me back to childhood. Alright, right here. This is soul food, blended with a Filipino style. And then you got the macaroni. I think this is more of a Hawaiian influence right here. Good sweet kick to it. Very tender. I love the flavor, it's really good. I can feel the Filipino and the black coming out of me. It's a good fusion. It's really good. Barbecue done by right, or done right by barbecue, or what is the name again? Be right back. Don't move. Done Right. And the chef is Will. He's half Filipino, half black. Proud of both of his heritage. And he combined both of his heritage and made this kind of barbecue. And it's really good. Very unique. It's a type of fusion that I haven't heard yet. And I'm enjoying it. YouTube. So that place was wow. Just wow. That place was good. It's a young upcoming business and I see a lot of potential. The flavors of the food was really good. Tangy, sweet, a little spice. I got the chicken barbecue Filipino plate. And that came with a Hawaiian macaroni, steamed rice, and the chicken with the melon drink. And it was a good portion, and I'm very satisfied. I really like it. The place also offers ribs, grilled cheese, and beans. I do want to try that next time I go over there, but other than that, this place is legit. It's a hybrid of two heritages, African community and the Filipino community, and just combined. And it's a unique, exotic taste. The owner was very friendly, and I definitely am going to go back and try the other dishes. It's called Done Right, BBQ Done Right, and it's located near downtown. I give it a 5 out of 5. Definitely check it out. Please like and subscribe. A Bite with Roy, and be safe. And until next time, peace.